Hello, my name is Mike from the Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you through a quick video tour of our Kia Picanto. So this is our 59 plate Kia Picanto. It's had two former keepers, has only covered 50,000 miles from new. It's got 6 service stamps in the book. And whilst in our care, we've taken care of things like the timing belt along with the clutch. It's a 1 litre petrol 5-speed manual gearbox, and it's only £30 a year to tax. So it's quite a nice little cheap runabout. Inside's in pretty good condition. It is quite a basic spec. You have got an AM/FM radio with CD player, which is quite nice. You have got back seats too, with rear doors. And you've also got a little boot too. So all in all, a really nice little runabout. Cheap on tax, cheap on insurance. Great price for the mileage as well, only 50,000 miles from new. A few little marks on it here and there, but certainly nothing bad for a 59 plate. If you have any questions or queries, please get in touch.